Hey fellow enthusiasts, fellow audio enthusiasts, Paul here from Cave Audio. So I love repairing this old audio stuff, and a lot of the receivers and things I get have been damaged, and here I have a Yamaha Natural Sound CR-2020, 1980-ish vintage, give or take a little bit. So I really wanted to document this because this is a specific receiver. First, it's a great receiver, and secondly, it has a ton of problems, but they're all odd things. So I just want to walk through this with you and let you know what I see, what's here, what we've got, what I know that needs to be done, and we're going to break it up into 8 or 10 videos because there's a lot of things here that need to get dealt with. Let me just start going through it. So I'm going to work on the assumption that this thing has not been turned on, but it has been turned on. And this is the way I received it. So first thing we see is the case is destroyed. You know, I have a couple pieces here, but the base is there, but the case is really destroyed. So I have to build a case. That will be a vid. That'll probably be 4 or 5 videos. So it needs a case. I turn it on, and it's got no sound. So it's not working properly. It is partially working. I have looked at it a little bit, but let's just say it's not working. So I've turned it on. It has no sound. So it has no case. It has no sound. The tuner is missing. The tuner wire and part of the tuner wire wheel, we'll call it. So the tuner is not working. The receiver itself is not bad shape. Oh no, I'm pushing that a little bit far, and the antenna is broken off of it. So each one of those items, and this is what I know so far, and I don't know anything about this. I don't know what I'm going to find out. But there's 4 or 5 common things that you run into this. Broken cases, audio not working, tuner restring. This will keep me busy for a while. I hope that there's a few of you that can see the value in this, and I hope I do a good job. I'm not a master at this by any stretch, but I enjoy it, and I've done it a couple times, and it's a great receiver to work with. So hey, I hope you stick with me, and hope you invite your friends, anybody else that might be interested. We'll all probably learn something here, and maybe I can learn something from you guys. Maybe some of you Yamaha guys can give me some tips as I go through with the issues that I run into, what I need to do, and the end of the day, I want to have a really nice receiver here. I did buy 3/4 inch solid dark walnut, and so this is going to have a hardwood walnut case when it's finished, so it should be spectacular. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I hope you follow this. I hope I make it through just fine and don't make too much of a fool of myself. I'm very much looking forward to this rebuild. Yamaha Natural Sound stereo receiver CR-2020 vintage 1980-ish is about to get an overhaul. Thanks for dropping by, and I hope I see you again soon.